We have an update on Tesla's locations for next factories that may be announced towards the end of 2022. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily breaking Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and please give us thumbs up if you like this video that I'm about to present you. Tesla may already be launching 2 new vehicle factories this year in the form of Gigafactory Texas and Giga Berlin, but it appears that the company is still just getting started and warming up. During the recently held fourth quarter and full year 2021 earnings call, CEO of Tesla Elon Musk noted that while Tesla is not ready to announce where its next factories would be built today, the story may be different by the end of the year. By the end of the year, Tesla may announce where it will build its next factories, next gigafactories. Elon Musk's comments about Tesla's next factories came as part of his opening remarks in the earnings call yesterday. During his update, Elon Musk mentioned that Model Ys equipped with 4680 battery cells and structural battery packs should start their deliveries after the vehicle's final certification. I reported about that this morning, so check my morning report on that more in details. The executive added that capacity expansion would continue by maximizing the output of each of its existing factories and by building new plants. So expect a lot of Teslas coming up. So Elon Musk said this: so in Texas, we're building the Model Ys with the structural battery pack and the 4680 cells, and we'll start delivering after final certification of the vehicle, which should be fairly soon. Capacity expansion will continue through maximizing output of each factory and building new factories and new locations in the future. Although we're not ready to announce any new locations on this call, but we will through 2022. Look at the new locations and probably be able to announce new locations towards the end of this new year, I expect, Elon Musk said. A look at Musk's statements during the quarter 4 and FY 2021 year earnings call hints that Tesla could be considering multiple locations for more than one new gigafactory this year. Interestingly, Elon Musk did not dub these upcoming factories as gigafactories outright, which may suggest that some of these new plans may be modeled after the company's other projects, like the mega factory in La Trobe, California, or just like an assembly line that Tesla used to have in Netherlands. Tesla would likely be more deliberate with its selection of its new factories locations moving forward, considering the challenges and delays being faced by the company in Gigafactory Berlin, notes Simon Alvarez in Tesla Rally. While Giga Berlin was built quickly due to the use of early approvals, the facility's final permit is taking quite some time before it's released. Local groups opposed to the facility have also presented one legal challenge after another to the project for its next factories. It would not be surprising if Tesla decides to establish a presence in places where it can move quickly and openly, such as Texas in the United States or Shanghai in China. But Tesla will also take into consideration supply chain, which is a major issue these days, friends. So localization of supply chain will be key factor, or at least one of the key factors for Tesla. So let me know, what do you think? Where do you think Tesla will build its next 2 gigafactories? This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. I'll look forward to your comments in the comment section below. Please give us thumbs up and like this video, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next breaking Tesla news coverage. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and let's move on to our next story. Elon Musk has been test driving the Tesla Cybertruck prototype that you have been seeing on GigaTexas grounds this couple of days, and he says it's been awesome and Tesla could clarify plans for awesome and mysterious new Cybertruck prototype during the quarter 4 call. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and also please give us thumbs up and like this video, please. Elon Musk said that he has been driving the latest Cybertruck prototype around Tesla's new factory in Austin at Giga, Texas, describing the revised all-electric pickup truck as awesome. Tesla has a real chance to clear up any confusion regarding the company's plans for the Cybertruck including which variants will enter production and what reservation holders' next move should be, says Joey Klender in today's Tesla Rally. And I agree with him, because in today's Q4 call, we will have probably lots of answers, not only about Cybertruck, but Giga Berlin, GigaTexas, Tesla Semi, and so on. Earlier this week, leaked photos of an updated Tesla Cybertruck appeared from the Texas Gigafactory via the Cybertruck Owners Forum. It was sporting several new changes, including what appears to be slightly reduced dimensions, a revised charge port cover location, revised side mirror design, and a lack of door handles. Small dimensions are probably to enter the garage, because in these days the houses, sometimes the garage area is so small that barely 2 SUVs can fit in the garage. So, however, there is some uncertainty regarding the Cybertruck's production status. After initial projections for manufacturing were set for late 2021 when the truck was unveiled in 2019, Tesla pushed back the first production dates for 2022. That was until the date was removed from the site, and reports circulated that the Cybertruck would not be built until 2023. There is no word on why the Cybertruck has remained relatively unconfirmed in terms of an initial production date. We know that Musk, from his several appearances on Joe Rogan Experience podcast, was thinking of revising the dimensions by around 3%. The new prototype seems to have a smaller frame and figure, which would make it possible to drive it other markets and would help it fit in a snug garage. Additionally, there has been some speculation that Tesla will scrap the single motor variant in favor of dual, tri, and quad motor powertrains instead. Tesla has not confirmed these updates to any reservation holder, as it would likely have to contact nearly everyone on the list, advising them to change their suggested powertrain. And we're talking about close to 1 million, from 600,000 to 1 million people. Now, Elon Musk test drove the Cybertruck and tweeted yesterday saying, "Been driving latest Cybertruck prototype around GigaTexas. It's awesome." Musk did confirm the existence of the quad motor powertrain and suggested Cybertruck production at Gigafactory, Texas will begin with this trim level. If this is the case, Tesla will need to begin routine communications with any reservation holder, giving them the opportunity to update their order. In the past, the company has not done this in a timely fashion, especially with the long-range rear-wheel drive Model Y, and most recently, the seating layout of the Model X Plaid. Tesla is expected to update the company's product roadmap at the Q4 and full year 2021 earnings call later today. What are your expectations, friends, from that call? What do you expect Elon Musk will talk about this evening, and what questions you would like to be answered? I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section below. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. Give us thumbs up, please, and let's move on to our next Tesla story. Breaking good news about the productivity of Tesla's Fremont factory. Tesla is now operating the most productive car factory in the United States, according to a new report tracking all U.S. auto factories. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and give us thumbs up. Please like this video if you find it helpful. Just a few years ago, many players in the automotive industry couldn't imagine that Tesla could become a major manufacturer. After all, it was the first US car startup to not go bankrupt since Ford. But over the last few years, Tesla has truly emerged into a major car manufacturer with an annual production rate of over 1 million cars as of the last quarter. Much of that growth is coming from Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai, but the automaker is also growing at its Fremont, California factory. Bloomberg put together an interesting tracker of production at some of the biggest auto plants in North America, and Tesla's Fremont factory takes the #1 spot. First is Tesla's Fremont factory in Fremont, California, with 8,550 cars a week. Second is Toyota Motor Corporation's juggernaut in Georgetown, Kentucky, with 8,427 cars a week. Third is BMW AG Spartanburg hub in South Carolina with 8,343 cars a week. By the way, I live only about 2 hours from Spartanburg, California, South Carolina. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, and it's a beautiful company. They have nice tours in the company. Well, I remember when I was a MBA student years and years ago, they took us to a trip and to see the productivity and the efficiency of BMW's Spartanburg hub. Fourth is Toyota's Princetown factory in Indiana with 8,200 cars a week, and fifth is Ford Motor Corporation's Kentucky truck plant with 7,600 cars a week. In times when most car makers see their production going down amidst this virus and the subsequent supply chain shortages, Tesla actually managed to increase production at Fremont factory. Combining the two trends, Tesla Fremont factory has managed to take the top spot. You can see that in Bloomberg's article for an interactive version tracking all the factories. Tesla is also apparently more efficient with its use of space at its factories. In square feet, Toyota has almost twice the space as Fremont factory, but produces about the same number of vehicles. You know that in Fremont factory, Tesla has become so efficient that it's even built a temporary assembly line in a tent to continue the production and to do the ramp up of the production. Tesla is known as one of the most vertically integrated automakers, as makes a lot of parts in-house, which helped the company grow during the supply chain crisis. At Tesla's last shareholder meeting, CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla plans to still grow at Fremont factory. Of course, the automaker is also building a bigger, almost 8 million square feet factory in Gigafactory, Texas, and we're getting some really good news coming from Texas, beginning the production of Model Y at Texas. GigaTexas is expected to be even more efficient, with Tesla building the new Model Y using its single-piece rare front casting parts and structured battery pack, says Electric. Tesla has previously indicated that the new factory could produce 1 million vehicles per year once it reaches full production. That's almost 20,000 vehicles per week versus today's 8,550 cars a week in the Fremont factory. So Tesla is now operating the most productive car factory in the United States. I don't know about the statistics in the entire globe, but if you guys know who is the most productive car factory in the world with the most production unit per week, let me know, friends, in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, because I bring daily breaking Tesla news to this channel. And also give us thumbs up, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Sharing social media, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.